Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download, install, and configure Windows Admin Center on Windows Server 2025. Let's get started. Open your browser. Go to Microsoft's official Windows Admin Center page. Search for Windows Admin Center Download. Click Download Windows Admin Center. Download the latest MSI installer. The download size is approximately 80 to 100 megabytes depending on the version. Now install Windows Admin Center. Follow on screen instruction. The installation usually takes 1 or 2 minutes. After installation finishes, click Finish. Open Windows Admin Center. Check all services and features. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded, installed, and configured Windows Admin Center on Windows Server 2025. You can now centrally manage multiple Windows servers from a single web interface. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows Server, Active Directory, Hyper-V, VMware, Docker, networking, and cybersecurity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.